Hello everyone, so welcome to the continuation of our augmented reality project. So in our previous lesson we were able to uh, arrange these things here, this UI, and then we finally worked on our mitochondria, the cell itself. So the cell itself, okay, so let's bring this up a bit. As usual, you can always look at my reference here, okay, that's my positioning too, if you want the same positioning as mine. Okay, so let's preview our project and see how it looks like. Okay, so I would want to bring these ones here. That's the lysosome and the endoplasmic reticulum here. Okay, just so it's closer to this because once when the hotspot is clicked here, it just shows here or somewhere here. So to do that, let's just move them. So I'm going to click here, click on this. So multi-select with the help of the shift key, bring them here. Then I'll rotate it this way. I can decide to increase the size using the scale tool. Increase your size here, and then increase the size of this too. Okay, let's see what we have. It's too close, they are too close. Okay, so I think I like this position. Now let's work on the hotspots for our lysosome and then the endoplasmic reticulum. So since we can actually either put the hotspots on these ones or here, but let's try them for these ones instead. So I'm going to pick another hotspot icon. Okay, so it's loaded. Then we want it for this one. I'm going to rotate it so at some point in time I'll be quiet, okay, just so I'm able to do what we need to do. Okay, so let's increase it and I'm going to bring up. So what we are trying to do is when this hotspot is click okay, this particular hotspot is going to be for the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, when it's click, we want it to open the information box for uh, for them. Switches this. Okay, so this particular one. Okay, so yeah. So when this is clear, we want it to open this. Okay, so I can bring it here. I can decide to reduce the size here. Okay. And bring it out a bit. Then let's inspect how close it is. Okay, it's quite close. Bring it out a bit. So these are the values for it. Then I'm going to change its name. Okay, so let's rename it to Endo. So Endo hotspots. Okay, Endo hotspots. And I'll duplicate it. Then we are going to do for the lysosome. So let's see if we have lysosome. Okay, so there's the lysosome. Let's reduce it just so it looks visible, like all its parts looks visible. Okay, so the users can see the lysosome. Okay. I think this is quite okay. Let's check it out. Okay, I think I like the spacing, or if you don't like it, you can take it back. You can take it back. Okay, so this is quite okay. So let's rename it to lysosome, lysosome hotspots, or lyso. So basically, that's it for these ones. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So let's frame all. Okay. So this is our project, and then in the next lesson, we'll start adding the triggers. Okay. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.